Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome to my new another video. Now I am in here Walton showroom. You can see guys, Walton ceiling fan. uh, this fan are also very good quality aluminum fan, and 10 years number of 10 years guarantee Walton ceiling fan. We have a rechargeable fan. This 17-inch rechargeable fan, this price for 4190 taka. This 17-inch rechargeable AC DC fan price is 600 990 taka. This white color, off white color, indigo and pink color, they are also price 3590 taka. Our showroom location Tongi Station Road, Champagoli Cinema Hall Market, Walton showroom. Please come to our shop.